I absolutely love being in brands PR list because I don't know what I'm about to receive. Things that get sent to me a lot, and I might get a little sneak peek here and there, but not when you are in brands PR list. Today, I am going to be unboxing a new package that I got about 2 days ago. What better time than now to open it here with you guys? I honestly did not know that I was even going to receive a package from Dibs. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this with you guys here on my YouTube channel. But if I had to guess what this is, I have been seeing that Dibs is launching a new double standard duo mascara. If I had to guess what this package is, my best guess is going to be that it's the new mascara. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to opening this package. I kid you not, I literally threw away so many boxes for trash day on Thursday because it was overtaking my room. After the trash came, I received even more packages of products.
What the hell? Oh my God.
I'll tell you what, the mailman and the trash can man really do hate to see my house coming. Are you guys ready? What did I tell you? My intuition never lies. My intuition never lies. So we did get the new double standard primer and mascara duo, which we are going to be trying it here with you guys today. I am so excited to show you guys, and I purposely did not put any mascara because I just had a feeling that this is what was going to be tried on for today's video. I'm gonna kind of read this over for you guys to kind of give you a breakdown of what this new mascara is all about. Ooh, excuse me. This is the new double standard primer and mascara duo, the first of its kind brown primer and black mascara duo. If you guys think about a mascara primer, I always think of like the white primer, but this is brown. So what is the difference? I don't know. We're about to find out. Okay, class. So I want you guys to get your notebook and your number 2 pencil out in case you misspell something or you mess up. You can go back and erase it. No pens allowed. Are you paying attention? You better, or else I'm not gonna repeat it again. What is it? The double standard primer and mascara duo is the first of its kind brown primer and black mascara duo designed for multi hyphenates, whatever that means. On one end, a brown tubing primer that separates, lengths, and defines. On the other, a black mascara that lifts, thickens, and turns up the volume. Why are we going to love it, you must ask? Why do we love it? Natural brown and bold black in one tube. Not choosing necessary. Flake-free, smudge-proof. Actually easy to remove with warm water. Infused with shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B5 to nourish the lashes. Why do they love it? Like, why do you guys love it? It's 100% said it gives extreme length, 91% saw instant dramatic length and volume, and 91% said it lasted all day. So what did the other 4% said? I'm curious. So apparently that's her. Why did they not put someone with lashes like mine? Like, this girl already has long lashes.
Bruh.
But let's go ahead and test it out and see if it gets what it's supposed to give. So here is the packaging. I always like to keep these type of boxes because there's gonna come a day where I'm going to be gifting my closest friends some PR products that I get. I want to be able to use these boxes for that. Look how pretty. It almost looks like a flute. I almost kind of want to curl my lashes, but I think I'm going to wait to curl it until after I apply the mascara. So this is what the mascara looks like. Oh, cute. And this is the brown primer. And then the mascara itself. I don't have enough storage in my phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it up and I'll come back and show you guys the difference. These are the results with the primer and the mascara. I mean, the lift is there and I don't see any smudging at all when I apply the mascara, which I absolutely love because I hate a mascara that just rubs all up on your eyelid. And this one was not very much, just like a tiny bit here, but nothing too crazy. And then look at the difference, you guys. I cannot wait to curl my eyelash to show you guys what it actually looks like. Do you guys see that lift and the length? I love it. I'm gonna let this dry real quick. So I did notice that I had a little bit of smudging underneath my eyelids, not up here, but down here. And I let it dry and I literally just gently swiped my finger on it and it removed it without spreading. Literally just wipe it off. It's little flakes that fall off and that is it, you guys. I am so impressed by this mascara. Like, you are not gonna have a single smudge on your fingers, on your eyelids. See that right there? You literally take your finger and swipe it like very, very gently and it comes off. And you'd see these little flakes. You literally just brush them off and they're gone. There is no smudging. I love this so much. Now that this one has dried, we're gonna go over and curl our lash. Oh my god, I am obsessed overall with the no smudging. I hate a mascara that smudges. I like my lashes to be completely like standing up. So we're going to recurl this one. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video slash mini tutorial on how to apply this mascara slash a little bit educational as well about it. I cannot wait for this to launch and for you guys to be one of the first to try it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. And if you guys want to see more review videos of new products like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social medias, which I will leave the handles down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.